Review, Maka, review.
It's just awesome, there's no lagging like the normal petrol.
Namaskaram everyone, this is Vaishak and welcome to the Daily V. Namaskaram everyone, what's up? Okay, it's almost, I just finished my sana, it's 8:15. We'll have my breakfast. Hope to meet some awesome people over there. And Pragyan Shana will also be there with me. So, yep, that's about it. I feel like having some omelette.
Since I was craving omelette, this is double omelette, very fat and thick. Yes, I think SP will also like.
Tantric Pragyan, I am the one supposed to take Daily V, not you, okay? Not you. Okay guys, by Isha standards, I'm very late. I reached by 10:04. 4 minutes is finished. No class entry, no inner engineering initiation, everything over.
Not like that.
We are with Dilip Anna. Dilip Anna is going to explain his scooter. Explain, you only know. Explain about the features. See, this is how you get people.
What features?
The electric bike, it travels.
Let him take. You sit here. I'll explain.
Okay, please. Like that. Body.
ये हम है, ये हमारी कार है।
Yes, continue.
And you can put it in reverse mode. I'll show you reverse mode.
Oh, which is the reverse mode? Sure.
There is a button as well, or you can just use swipe on this.
Oh, okay.
Reverse mode.
Oh, reverse for a scooter? Yeah. That's the first. Hey, show this thing, no? Show this one, Anna. What is this? This is stand. Look at the stand. It's a different kind of stand.
Yeah, it's very different.
Goes into this.
Oh,
So it is actually very
reverse gear.
And then you
Come closer, and otherwise the audio won't get there.
Now it started? Yeah. Now you normally go. Brakes are sensitive, so be careful. It's in sport mode.
Okay.
You go here and you.
Okay. Oh. It's like riding a sports bike. You can try it if you want. Whoever wants to try, please try. Yes. See, look. Manjira Anana is wearing helmet for his own safety or the bike safety. We don't know. Hope they come back in 2 pieces. One you and one the scooter.
It's already on.
Special feature.
Just like any other bike. Yeah.
Hey, it's this. वाले बाबू क्या हुआ? एकदम मजा. Next who is the next? Akka will drive. Umaka will drive.
Rick. It's a bit.
He changed from a meetup to promoting the Aether brand. What is this?
It's not a paid promotion.
No paid promotion.
No paid promotion.
From customer friendly. From customer. Aether, if you're watching this, oh yeah, please give me a subscription.
So this is the app, okay? Basically.
This is the
So
app.
yeah, once you are charging, it will show you like in what mode is the vehicle, and see where it is exactly. If you want to send some location directly, you can type in, or if somebody gives you a WhatsApp, you can share it to the app and it will come to the vehicle. You give OK, it will work. Then this is the saying, I took it. So see how he drove right now.
Very bad driving, no?
Yeah, very bad.
Not at all economical.
So it will come like how he is driven and all this. And then the documents, if you want something, you can upload it. So it will come in the dashboard. So the police can see it, and they don't leave, they charge anyway. And settings like the OT update, like Anna gets, there is a recent update like if somebody tows your vehicle, you will get a notification.
Right.
So such updates. If someone moves the vehicle itself, you get an update.
Update,
You get a notification on the mobile saying someone has moved your vehicle.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Review, Maka, review.
It's just awesome, there's no lagging like normal petrol diesel vehicle because it's electric.
Right,
Like instantaneous power.
Instantaneous.
I think it has great torque power.
Oh, Thor. Yes. And see, correct review. This is correct review. We were like super speed. Stand is good. She said torque is good.
Because it's electric, no?
Okay, DJ वाले बाबू मेरा स्कूटर चलाओ. DJ वाले. Looks risky. Okay, I think he'll manage. Hey, starter शून्य tug life. Na 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 na. Ta ta ta. Bada, why increase do the sound, no drun drun. Accelerate. Raise it. We need the sound. सही है. Okay, bye Anna. आइला स्नानम पाउडर went down. ना उसको स्नान करना पड़ेगा.
प्लास्टिक है
कड़क है. Okay, so we are at this place called Yogistan. So I'll just show it to you. All the yogis in the house. Yogi. In progress. We are all. Please explain about this place, Padmaka.
This place is not only for yogis, anybody can
come
come
up,
and eat. And this place serves a lot of positive pranic food.
Oh no!
Like you can see.
Where is the biryani?
Biryani is not positive pranic.
It is the best positive pranic thing in on earth.
I've tried almost half of this menu. I think all of them are really good. You all should come and try.
Yes. Look, all the ladies have gone there. Full ordering OP.
Wow, sahi hai.
Dhananjay in action. Now you get to see the memer in action. Exclusively on Daily. The worst day of my life. Why Anna means what? Why Anna? No big.
Try Anna. Try. Anna, you take this one.
Too many things are happening at one go. Live, daily, we eating.
eating.
This is the.
We are also talking here.
This is the most.
Life at fast forward.
This is the most unyogic way. The most unyogic way to eat. Review में बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Come on, Dhananjay na food review.
Food review, I am not good at food review.
अच्छा कुछ भी
Again, Saina.
अरे you say something. Eat it and
ये इन्होंने सैलेड में डालने के लिए दिया है लेमन और कुछ ऑयल और कुछ मसाला जैसा है
Pepper.
है ना पेपर पाउडर
Pepper positive pranic pepper.
हाजमोला जैसा है
हाजमोला. So this is what I want. Correct है सही review है.
बहुत सादा था तो ये हाजमोला डालने से और अच्छा लग रहा है.
Manjunathan has to give review. He's very serious. Ayyo, don't die on us. अच्छा give paratha review. Meghna ka. You only ate paratha review. You have to give.
I didn't eat.
अच्छा
It's
who
tasty.
ate?
It's tasty.
Who ate? You have to eat and this is not proof. You have to eat and show.
I ate.
Right.
We eat and with parota, we've got mint chutney with some yogurt. It's really yum.
What is the dish called?
Banana roll.
Banana. This is ice cream and what banana roll something. And show that Meghna Akka has taken New Year resolution that she won't eat ice cream. Hate comments for that lady. It's very nice.
Meghnaka got that food only.
Sure. She only got it and she doesn't have ice cream. Dikao in Darinde ko. Something like that they say in Hindi, na? Masoom chehre. All these guys promoting pranic food and हम बहुत मुश्किल से खा लो. खा प्रज्ञान खा. Already before I do review, Dhananjay Anna will say. Show his review.
So
Say a little louder.
after having that
Do this like this.
brown what do you call that
0.5x. Then you
क्या था चावल का
Brown rice.
something
Brown rice. We are
we are trying this salad this is
This
dessert
is really good.
so it contains
You suddenly
papaya apple banana
Mossambi.
mossambi and this coconut
Coconut.
yeah coconut and something is sprinkled above it
It's sweet.
listening to the review before eating.
Nice.
Fake review.
there is one meme na like this
Fake review. Nice.
See how nicely he's eating.
फेक रिव्यू बहुत गलत बोला है, बढ़िया है. So these two people who are most hungry, their food has come last.
Potato.
Look at the filling.
What is this? What filling?
I don't know what this is. It's cabbage.
Attack on Titans. Akraman. Jai Mahismate. Today's style tip. Dress like Dhananjay Anna. Look at that. Nice shirt. Do like this. Show your little bit arms.
Arms.
Sahi hai. Nice tapered pants and look at this awesome shoes. Ladies, get this man. Isha life, yes. Put him on it. Kick out Steven Anna. Put Dhananjay Anna. Yes. Okay, Padmaka is taken us to corner house. What is like the favorite item?
Here Death by Chocolate is the most famous
So
one.
Mahasamadhi by
Must
chocolate.
try. Yes, Mahasamadhi by chocolate.
But it's non-veg, so we want
We
to
have
eat it.
intoxicated hermit also.
Oh, intoxicated. Kहाँ live?
He's live right now.
live चल रहा है.
ये भी खाना.
हमारे daily भी आ गया.
कंप्लेंट नहीं कर सकता हम खिलाए.
Come, we'll take him to corner house. Corner.
आजा नवनीत भाई आओ.
Take him.
चलो अपन खाते हैं.
Show him that ice cream. No, show him, bring him here.
ये आइसक्रीम वनीला है. ये वनीला चॉकलेट स्ट्रॉबेरी है.
कौन सा चाहिए?
कौन सा चाहिए?
कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
कमेंट में बताना. ठीक है ये सब है. बाकी
नवनीत अन्ना, आपके लिए भी ऑर्डर किया है आइसक्रीम. ढंग से खा लेना. This is Death by Navneet chocolate. लीची वाटर स्कॉच मोका
Mocha.
ये फिर पास.
So we were just here and we found this Shiva Shakti temple. Yes. So Ganesha is there. We have Shiva also. A very beautiful Shivaling actually. It's really beautiful. And beautiful Devi also is here. Very nice temple nestled in a park. You guys can come here and sit. Hey Padma, what is this place name? What is this place name?
Indira Nagar.
Indira Nagar, no? Indira Nagar, what is that ice cream place?
Corner house.
Here
Yes.
you can show the address.
Oh yes, you can. ठासू फोटोग्राफी चल रही है इधर. ठासू किसकी? हमारी चंद्रमा की.
अलग-अलग एंगल से.
अलग-अलग एंगल से हमारा DSLR प्रज्ञान तांत्रिक.
चंद्रमा का दर्शन लेते हुए. कोई दिक्कत. You must visit this temple. It's very beautiful and it's in Bangalore. It's a very silent and serene place, and it's so much. The aroma is different, man. You just see the sky and this everything.
And also check out Pragyan Channa's mask.
It's also in
Son the seat.
He's such an impatient person.
I thought you are impatient.
Let's do this.
Now the genuine review by Rahul KV.
Now this is broccoli
Yeah.
with cheese, okay, and chili cheese, okay. And
Tell your secret sauce. बोलो वरना मार दूंगा.
Namma secret sauce. We have one very good looking dip. Okay?
Good looking dip.
Good looking,
What's his
yes.
name?
What's the dip?
Namma dip.
But what is the dip?
It's mustard.
Mustard dip.
Why
okay.
one ingredient we got?
Yeah.
It's not mustard.
It's mustard. Green. It's mustard.
It's mustard. So basically, mustard dip is mostly of what you say. When we have
One must say mustard is a Mediterranean type.
mustard is mustard dips are Mediterranean styles, okay. And now we have this broccoli, which is of Western.
अबे ये खाएगा कि नहीं?
Look, I don't do the review like you.
कहाँ पे?
Sitting in the mall. Okay, let's see.
ये तेरा रिसर्च पेपर नहीं है.
नहीं. अरे क्यों यार? वीडियो ले रहा है यार. पागल है.
This all will come वीडियो ले रहा है. नासी, मैनर नासी.
Exactly, this is manner now. I don't have table manners. I have only not.
Don't come to Namma. You'll have to eat with fork and spoon.
You do not put that in the
I'll put.
Okay, let's see this.
Rahul has been tortured.
Yeah, she's not letting me eat peacefully.
peacefully.
Okay.
Oh, super! I can smell it from here. It's super.
Yeah. It smells really nice. It smells greens. Of course, broccoli.
Before you swallow, if you say anything, I'll kick you. After digestion, also you should say review. Digestion, how it is also.
This is very nice. Yeah. Actually, it's very nice. When I saw the video of Sabu, I didn't expect this would be actual good food. I thought he was overacting.
We didn't have this.
Now you overact and
Yeah, but this is crispy from outside and soft from inside.
तेरा है पर मेरा है.
And our almonds like topping is a perfect blend. Okay, the dip is good. But going with it, it's nice. You must try this.
First vegetarian, and that is Mediterranean. Vegetarian. Review chapati and mutton
Oh
keema.
wait, I'll change the
What?
chapati.
That
Wait,
also
I
raw video. This also will go. I'll change the chapati. ये भी आएगा.
Oh, okay, now it's good.
Bacha.
Photo.
No photo and
I want
video.
to click with picture first.
Aiyah.
How come? Hey, we can take video like this only.
मैं Lamborghini.
Look at me. How do we do? So,
Mutton keema and roti.
keema and roti.
ఇది బసవపూడిలో మీరు ఉండి నిల్తానే అప్పుడు
It's amazing. Trouble, you should try.
Of course I'll try. Show madam जी ये क्या dish है?
Hey,
अच्छा क्या dish है? Tell the dish's name. Dish's name tell no गोरेगा.
nasi goreng.
Nasi.
Chicken nasi goreng.
Nasi ya?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi.
Hitler dish. Nasi goreng.
Hitler used to like it.
See,
Indonesian.
this is bullseye, no? Look at the bullseye. How beautiful the bullseye looks. What is this? Is onion rings, positive pranik, and papadam. And of course, secret sauce. We are not gonna. She's not gonna tell us what it is.
sauce.
So there is a sauce. There is a sauce.
अच्छा vinegar.
Chili vinegar. This prawn papad.
That's okay.
This is prawn papad.
Prawn papad.
Prawn papad.
Prawn papad.
Yeah, prawn papad.
Papad. Papad. All are doing papad.
So crazy.
Look at it. Oh super. Sahi. Super. My God, mind blowing.
Mind blowing. Eat. Digest. This is perfect. Like good review.
How was it saying? Use your words.
Not good.
Now then, put
No,
100
come on,
rupees
use
there.
your
It's
words.
very nice.
Put 100 rupees there.
Okay, super. Bravo. This one. You can take it.
देखो
Now
Sabu,
say how
say good.
it
No, no, no. Say good review. Say good review.
10 रुपए का भी नहीं देता मैं.